a bit dark out at the moment, but a new addition to the family. We've gone and done it. We bought a van. Now it might not grotty inside at the minute, but a bit of work, and this will be our new little photo trip van. So it's a fairly standard van, Vauxhall Vivaro, nothing too special, but they're a good honest van and it should do perfect for our little conversion. Obviously at the minute all you've got inside is just ply lining, bare walls, but that'll soon change. Plans are afoot. So keep watching, subscribe, and we'll get something put together and you'll see this thing turn into a nice little day van to go out on the photo trips.